Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing some of the stars of early TV anime, and last week we moved on to the 1980s with Goku and Krillin from the original Dragon Ball series. And I plan on following up on that, but true to form, I got distracted. This time by the 30th anniversary of a Goofy movie. And well, I just couldn't pass up the chance to draw a few of the stars of what has turned into a classic. For those not familiar, a Goofy movie was supposed to be a direct-to-video film following up on the TV series Goof Troop, produced not by the main feature film Disney Animation Studio, but by their television division. And while it didn't make a huge splash at the box office at the time, it has gained a massive following, mostly because it's really good. The film focuses on Goofy as a single dad, dealing with his teenage son Max's so-called rebellious phase. Anyway, I can't recommend it enough. Really solid. So today we're going to be tackling both Goofy and Max. So let's draw. We're going to draw our Goofy and Max pose step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Goofy is clearly the larger of the two characters. He's standing behind Max, so his head is going to be drawn slightly smaller than his son's. And in this pose, Goofy is roughly 4.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 4.5 of those tall. Goofy's son Max is in front and therefore closer to us, so we're going to draw his head bigger than Goofy's. And in this pose, Max is about 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2.5 of those tall. Okay, so what do you say we get started with a roadmap for Goofy and Max from a Goofy movie? So there's our roadmap for Goofy and Max. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our duo using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing of Goofy and Max. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position both of our characters' eyes, noses, mouths, bodies, and features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our drawing of Goofy and Max. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Goofy and Max. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of Max and his dad. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment and look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit that drawing to those final lines. But even after you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing of Goofy and Max all the way until the very end. All right? So what do you say we draw in the details for Goofy and Max? And that's how you do it. There you have it, celebrating the 30th anniversary of a Goofy movie, Goofy and his son Max. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn either Goofy or Max before, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our drawing of Goofy and Max during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Goofy and his son Max. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it's going to be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Goofy and Max. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.